First, we have to do this multiplication. 6 times 6 gives us 36. So we have 6 plus 36 over 6. 6 plus 36 gives us 42. So we have 42 over 6, which equals 7. And this is our final answer to this problem. And this answer is correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay? In the numerator, we have one addition and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than addition because multiplication comes before addition. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this addition. So this answer is correct. But if you don't follow this rule and first do this addition, then this multiplication, you'll get the wrong answer. Like this. First, this addition. 6 plus 6 gives us 12. So we have 12 times 6 over 6. Okay? 12 times 6 gives us 72. So 72 over 6, which equals 12. But this answer is not correct. And the correct answer is just 7.